Yeah, get it. What y'all think? A lot of people, Christy thinks this is really gross, but that's how I get my day started right there. What's happening, everybody? Top of the morning. Christy and I, we're just getting our day started. We have sort of a busy day today. We figured we would just do like a day in the life, quarantine style. We're gonna be, what are we doing today? Cleaning our boat?
Well, first of all, top of the morning.
Oh yeah, coffee.
Cheers.
You have coffee, I have my disgusting smoothie.
Yes, I've got my liquid fuel right here. Today we're gonna be doing a little of everything. It is the first day in weeks that it's high 70s, almost 80 degrees. So I've got on my nearly summer attire.
Wow.
And we're gonna be washing the boat. We're gonna be longboarding. I don't really know what else. Bunch of random shenanigans.
I think we have brand new fishing poles and they came to the wrong address because our old neighbor just texted me and said there's a bunch of really big packages. So we're about to go pick those up.
I love packages. Who doesn't love packages?
That's right. There it is. Yikes. The fish cave.
This is Jeff's office. So don't judge.
Feast your eyes. Actually, that's my office right there.
Yeah.
That's where I get my work done. Let's check on my quarantine food. Let's see. I got redfish, I got a few more fillets of redfish, speckled trout. Let's go ahead and put this up in the refrigerator upstairs.
All right, you guys, so this might be Jeff's fishing lair / office, but I just added a brand new addition to my longboard collection. Boom, here it is, little Arbor longboard right here. Here, hold this so I can.
Hobby.
Yeah, my new hobby.
Y'all realize Christy and I have been married for 3 years, and I just realized 2 weeks ago that Christy has never longboarded ever. Are you getting ready for surfing season?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I don't know about y'all, but this is kind of how Christy and I pass the time. Shred the old longboards a little bit, get ready for surfing. Our water temperatures in the ocean are like 50 degrees right now, so I don't have a 4-3 wetsuit. But as soon as water temperatures warm up, that's what we're looking forward to, is surfing, longboarding.
Big old hill, baby.
Uh-oh, big hill. Here we go. Don't hit the stroller. Which way?
That way, quick. That way, babe.
Gotta go toes on the nose.
Oh my gosh.
Just so y'all know, I just want to set the record straight. This is actually Christy's car. This is not mine. This is Christy's truck.
My truck.
I drive another vehicle, but it's funny because Christy and I, we always pull up somewhere. I'll be driving or something, the truck, or she'll be driving. Like, hey, Jeff, you can pull your truck up. I'm like, actually, that's Christy's truck. Speaking of.
Jeff's got the fancy Beamer. All right, you guys, just got in our shipment of favorite rods right here, but check it out. There is a hole right here. Somebody better not have tried to steal some rods out of here.
All right, so we got the rods. Next step, where are we going? Clean the boat?
Yep, gonna go to the boat.
Okay, cleaning the boat. Beautiful day out here. Finally, summer is approaching. It has been freezing, absolutely freezing. All right, come on. All right, you're good, come on. All right, y'all, so here we are. We are at this is where we store our boat. No secret here, Coastal Marine. And actually, yeah, we store our boat here. It's right off the Shore Drive. Pretty convenient location. If you guys are actually looking to store your boat in the Virginia Beach area, then let's be boat neighbors, because it's actually a pretty cool spot to store your boat and everything. And they will work on your boat too. Sometimes it's just as fulfilling to wash your boat as it is to catch fish. I know that sounds really weird and crazy, but I don't know, that's kind of how I feel. Making our boat look brand new. That's good. My wife can back up a boat trailer like none other, y'all, by the way.
Are you bragging about me?
Heck yeah.
What are you saying?
Because you can back up a boat trailer really good.
I've had to learn in some really crazy situations, so.
Check that out, like a glove. All right, so I also have a friend coming here and he's about to pick up some reels that I'm gonna hook him up with because he's gonna borrow them so he can, these are my Florida fishing like 4 or 5,000 so that he can get on some bull drum. He's a big kayak fisherman and he wants to catch himself some big old bull red. So I'm gonna hook him up with letting him borrow some of these Florida Fishing Ospreys, the 4 and 5,000s.
All right, now onto the big package. Our favorite rods right here. Let's see what we got.
Here we go. Old Salty. That's the first one.
We got the Phantom, got 2 of these rods.
Y'all, we are super pumped. These are gonna be some epic trout fishing, red fishing rods.
Look
right
at
here.
this. This is a sick handle.
Oh yeah.
Look at that cork and that wood.
This is the ultimate,
that
speckled
is
trout rod.
Sick.
Yep.
That is super sick. Y'all, these are gonna hook us up to all of our inshore game fish. Dang, check these out. These are fancy. Y'all, these are the bee's knees. This is the jackhammer. Got 2 of these, and this is really all that we need for our inshore fishing, but we went a little crazy and got 2 of pretty much everything. And then there's one more.
Oh yeah, that's our trout. That's our mountain trout rods.
Heck yeah.
Sweet.
Wow.
Little Yampa River action.
Super light action tackle.
So Christy actually let me place the rod order. So are you pleased? Did I do well?
Yes, baby, you did great. This is what happens when you let your spouse order all of the rods. They go a little crazy.
You never know what you're gonna
They
need.
go balls to the walls.
Hey, you never know what you're gonna need.
We got 2
You gotta
of
have
everything.
That's right. So yeah, we got 2 of everything. So now you have your own rod. I have my own rod.
Yes.
For each one.
Little 1 fish, 2 fish team action. I'm washing Savannah, my truck, and Jeff is washing the boat.
Let's get that before shot so y'all can see what it looks like. All right, Mr. Scrubble Bubbles, do your job. Get all up in it. There you go, dude.
Thanks, man.
The new.
Oh, bro, I only need 1 of them.
Take 2. Take one of these for bluefish.
Please. I was about to ask you for it.
How many of those did I get? Make sure I got enough. Oh yeah, you guys, this is Medell right here. Medell is a local Instagrammer in Virginia Beach, and his Instagram, Cloud Break Mods, y'all check him out. And this dude knows what he's doing. He's on a yak. Medell gets on the fish, speckled trout, redfish, all the inshore fish. So Cloud Break Mods, check him out. You guys check him out on Instagram because he's got a lot of really good content on there. So hooking it up. Because what are you using these for, bull reds?
You got it.
Yes, sick.
Yeah, I can't wait.
All right.
Very, very soon.
Yeah, man.
Oh yeah, get off all that dirt. She's gonna be squeaky clean when I'm done with her. You guys tell I'm getting tired after cleaning my truck. I'm currently barefoot, walking around in some chlorine. Not a good idea.
How the heck do you get Procure on the side of the boat? Oh, hold on.
You see that right there?
Yeah, all right.
I got those black spots off there too.
Oh my gosh. All right, you guys, so this right here, this is Kevin. He's actually the owner, one of the owners of Coastal Marine. We're watching our boat. What do we got right here?
Colonel Brassy.
Colonel Brassy?
Yep.
So that's what's gonna get my brown stuff off the bottom? Oh my gosh. Lifesaver. That is awesome. I've like never seen the hull of my boat. How much is that, Kevin? Let me
It's really cheap. It's like
I'm gonna
20 bucks.
Is it?
Yeah.
No way, dude. I've never seen the outside of my boat like this. Oh yeah, that's the money shot right there, people. Here we go. Second longboard session of the day. Where are we at, Christy?
Croton at the beach.
At the ocean front, carving it up. Woo!
Look at that, he's just doing all that work and I'm just going straight.
That's right. I'm getting in my workout.
All right, check it, you guys. We're at our favorite inlet right here, Rudee Inlet. Got Croton behind us, Virginia Beach oceanfront in front of us. We just rode our longboards over here. We're gonna check out the surf, and then right here in the inlet, we're gonna see what people are catching. Hopefully some big old trout. But right now we can hear all these waves, so we're gonna go check out if they've got some good longboard waves and what the surf report is like.
Catching anything, man? You just started? Oh, I got you.
You fish here, do you?
Yeah, I fish here all the time.
What's been biting?
Trout and redfish.
Okay.
Flounder's been coming in too. There's definitely some trout moving in, so hopefully you'll get lucky. What are you using? Just cut bait?
Yeah, I have some mullet on there,
Perfect.
and I have some squid and shrimp on here.
You might catch yourself a redfish or a trout.
Okay.
All right, people, so it's time to get the smoker started. We are gonna cook a bunch of fish. We're gonna grill fish, we're gonna smoke fish. Just got back to the house. Got some charcoals. Can't go wrong with these apple smoking chips. Little apple flavor. It's going down this evening. Put a little bit of that in there. Y'all, this is actually the first time this whole year that I've smoked fish. First time. I'm gonna do a little bit of lighter fluid, start the fire. All right, people, there it is. Smoking, that's what we wanna see. All right, so this is really weird because I've got a tripod and I'm kind of using it as a little selfie stick right now. But anyways, so the smoker is smoking, doing what it needs to be doing. We're gonna go ahead and let that marinate, let that do its... Oh yeah, people, that smoker is looking right. And we about to get these fishies up on the smoker.
Y'all, I wish you guys could
using
see what
the
Jeff
tripod
is filming with right
as
now.
a selfie stick. It's kind of funny.
You guys, it smells so good already. And we don't even have any food on the smoker. Just the wood chips burning. Smells so good. So I'm not sure if this is safe, but we have this directly under a tree. Jeff says nothing bad will happen, but the smoke is rising right into this tree.
It will. All right, so redfish on the half shell getting smoked, speckled trout, skin on, getting smoked. There we go. So
Boom
put
shakalaka.
those up on there.
This has to get up to what, 400?
About 200.
Okay. Clearly I know nothing. This is why I married him. The smoke master.
200 to 250.
That's it?
About that.
I thought it was supposed to get up to 400.
That's when you bake. Okay.
My husband is the chef, if you guys can't tell.
Boom. All right, people, here we are. So smoked fish, looking done. Dang, that looks good. So I'm just getting down right here on the last little bit of some of this smoked fish right here. I know that looks kind of gross because I've been picking at it, but just some of this smoked redfish. Yeah, so good. Anyways, that's it. We got a lot more stuff coming for y'all. And if you guys also have any other suggestions of videos, and we're just gonna keep it coming to y'all with everything, a little bit more vlogs, a lot of tutorials, and a lot of fishing. So that's it, y'all. Great day, and hope you guys are doing well during the quarantine. That's all I got for today, and I'll check y'all on the next vid. All right, y'all. Peace.